If you're choosing between ComfyUI, Automatic1111 Stable Diffusion Web UI, and Fooocus, this isn't just AI versus AI. It's power versus balance versus simplicity. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. ComfyUI is the most powerful of the three. It uses a node-based workflow system where you can build advanced pipelines for image generation, animation, ControlNet, and automation. It's also faster and more VRAM efficient than many alternatives. But here's the catch. The learning curve is steep. Beginners often find the node system overwhelming at first. Automatic1111, often called A1111, is the middle ground. It gives you a traditional interface with sliders, tabs, extensions, and tons of community tutorials. It also has the biggest extension ecosystem, making it the default, stable diffusion UI for many users. The downside is performance. Compared to ComfyUI, it generally uses more VRAM and can feel slow with advanced workflows. Fooocus takes the opposite approach. It hides most technical settings and focuses on giving you good-looking images with minimal effort, almost like a local mid-journey experience. That makes it amazing for beginners. But advanced users may feel limited because customization and extensions are much more restricted. So the real difference is this. ComfyUI is for advanced workflows, Automatic1111 is for flexibility and community support, and Fooocus is for simplicity. So which AI is better? Choose ComfyUI if you want maximum control, automation, and advanced workflows. Choose Automatic1111 if you want the best balance of usability, features, and extensions. Choose Fooocus if you want great-looking images with almost no setup or technical knowledge. Bottom line, ComfyUI is the most powerful overall, Automatic1111 is the most practical for most users, and Fooocus is the best for beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.